If you've seen, in the month of August only 32 DRHPs got filed, and almost 15,000 crore worth of IPOs happened. And then that trend gonna accelerate only with new age companies coming to the markets, and also a mega LIC IPO. In my mind, 1 lakh crore is a number which will be easily surpassed. And then some of the triggers, obviously, of such interest in IPOs are the ultra low interest rates across the globe, liquidity which has been injected by central banks, and some of that will continue to exist, and which will keep the interest. And another, point was, the post-pandemic, the growth, supposed to have a very sharp recovery, which we saw on the Q1 GDP number as well. And that kind of excites the IPO market. The outsized expectation on listing gain, I think that needs to moderate, and that's what's happening. Investors, especially retail, needs to see it as a more 12, 18 months investment, and returns needs to be seen across as compared to other asset classes, and that, I think, realization is coming in. So you've seen that the investors are becoming a bit more discerning in that aspects, and only real long-term investors are the ones which are coming in. What investors see, and they have seen it for India, it may be a bit of a new thing with a Zomato listing and stuff like that. But these investors have experience of seeing this kind of companies in many other markets, developed markets, and they have seen, what are the attributes. So obviously the subsector leaders, the leadership in their domain is something which is very well appreciated. Whether they are growing well, what are the moats they have created, and what are the monetization tools which they have, which will make them profitable over the next few years. I think that path to profitability is something which is important. But as I said, there's a lot of experience across the globe in investing in such companies.